Learn with Nimbus.
Something is hiding. Listen, what is it?
It's a vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner hums when you switch it on. It sucks up dust from the floor. Whoosh! Whew! Something else is hiding. Have a listen. It's a kettle. A kettle heats up water until it boils. The water bubbles and boils inside. Bubble, bubble. Here's another one. Listen carefully. It's a clock. A clock tells us what time it is. Its hands tick around and around. Tick, tock.
Peekaboo, something is hiding. What do you hear? It's a bathtub. A bathtub holds warm water for your bath. Water pours from the faucet and splashes in the tub. Splish, splash. Something is hiding. Listen, what is it?
It's a broom. A broom sweeps crumbs and dust into a pile. Its bristles swish across the floor. Swish, swish. Whew! Something else is hiding. Have a listen. It's a phone. A phone lets you talk to someone who is far away. It rings and buzzes on the table. Ring, ring! Here's another one. Listen carefully. It's a frying pan. A frying pan cooks tasty food on the stove. The food sizzles and steams inside. Sizzle, sizzle.
Peekaboo, something is hiding. What do you hear?
It's a blender. A blender turns fruit into a smooth drink. The fruit tumbles and grinds inside. Grind, grind.
Something is hiding. Listen, what is it?
It's a rubber duck. A rubber duck floats on top of the water in your bath. When you squeeze it, it squeaks, squeak. Whew! Something else is hiding. Have a listen. It's a popcorn maker. A popcorn maker makes warm popcorn to munch. The kernels burst and pop inside. Pop, pop, pop. Here's another one. Listen carefully. It's a rocking chair. A rocking chair rocks you gently while you sit in it. Its wooden rockers creak on the floor. Creak, creak.
Peekaboo, something is hiding. What do you hear?
It's a coffee machine. A coffee machine makes hot coffee for grown-ups. It gurgles and drips into the pot. Glug, glug.
Something is hiding. Listen, what is it?
It's a washing machine. A washing machine spins your dirty clothes until they are clean. It goes round and round. Swish, swish. Whew! Something else is hiding. Have a listen. It's a microwave. A microwave heats up your food to make it warm. The plate inside spins round and round. Here's another one. Listen carefully. It's a doorbell. A doorbell rings to tell you someone is at the door. Press the little button and it sings. Ding dong. Now let's review. Listen, what's hiding? Vacuum cleaner.
Shh, what do you hear?
Kettle. Can you guess this one? Clock.
What made that sound?
Bathtub. Listen, what's hiding? Broom.
Shh, what do you hear?
Phone. Can you guess this one? Frying pan.
What made that sound?
Blender! Listen, what's hiding? Rubber duck.
Shh. What do you hear?
Popcorn maker.
Can you guess this one?
Rocking chair.
What made that sound?
Coffee machine. Listen, what's hiding? Washing machine.
Shh. What do you hear? Can you guess this one?
We found 13 things hiding in the house. Great listening. Bye-bye.